Hi children, today let us learn about part 2 of chapter 7. Okay, now let's you just observe birth certificate. Look at the birth certificate of Binsi. This is Binsi's birth certificate. Let's see. Government of Kerala birth certificate. Okay, and this is to certify that the information is taken from the original record of birth which in the register for the year 2002 of Katyam Panchayat. Name Binsi Thomas Jacob, female. Date of birth 2nd 5 2002, 2nd May 2002. Place of birth where Kandam Puja Hospital. Name of father Jacob and mother name is Lara Thomas, and date of registration is 2nd 5 2002 and registration number is 815/2. So date here which they are issues this certificate 5 August 2002. 5 August 2002. Let's see. Here they are asking some questions behind of this. 2/5/2002 shows that the Binsi was born on 2/5 means which month? January, February, March, April, May. So 5 means May. May in the year of 2002. How old will Binsi be on 2 May 2008? She born in which year? 2002. So 2008 means 2008. We just subtract 2002. In 8 ones you just take away 2 ones, 6 ones, 0 0 0. So how many years old? 6 years old. And how old will she be in the year of 2052? In that time, here is how many years? 44 years old. Okay, next. On what date will she be 8 years old? Write in the numbers. On date in 2008, she is in 6 years old. And 8 years old means 2008 6, 2009 7, 2008 2009 she got 7, 2010 she got 8. So 2 5 2010 she got how many years? 8 years. Okay, next. How many months old was Binnis on 2nd August 2002? 3 months old. Means why? Because she born in which month? 5th month. So May to June 1 month, June to July 1 month, July to August 1 month. So 3 months. How many years old is Binnis now? So 12 years old. Now means this is 20. She born in 22. Now how many years old? 18 years old. After how many months of her birthday was the certificate is issued? Then birth certificate eppadi issue chesaru? Already they are given date for here 5/8/2002. So that is how many months? 8 months. 2nd May 2002 is she born. May is 5th month of the year and August is 8th month of the year. 8 months. 8th month. What is the registration number of her certificate? Here they are given 815/02. Like that. And find out. This is for you only children. When were you born? Write your date of birth in your numbers. Do you have a birth certificate? Ask your parents and make one yourself. Okay. Next, calendar. This is the which year calendar? 2006 calendar. So how many months are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 months are there. Okay, in one month different days are there. In January 31 days, February 28 days, and March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, and October 31 days, November 30 days, and December 31 days. Let's see questions. Calendar. Let us look at the calendar for the year 2006. How many months does a year have? Already we know a year has 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Next, list the months which have 30 days. So, which have 30 days? April, 30 days. June, 30 days. And September, 30 days. And November, 30 days. 4 months. Which months? April, June, September and November. List the months which have 31 days. Remaining months: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Where is February? February have 28 days. If that is leap year, it contains 29 days. Okay, here is just how many days does the month of February have? 28 days. If it is in leap year, 29 days. How many days make a week? 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days. How many weeks are there in a July? It is July. 4 weeks. Then every month we have 4 weeks. Okay. It is true for all the months? Yes. In each month 4 weeks are there. In which month did you come to class 3? April month. Why? Because in that our last final exams also completed. After that we will come new class. Make a circle on these dates in the calendar. 26 January, 14 November and 31 December. 26 January, 14 November and 31. Some related they are asking some related dates. 26 January what? Republic Day. And 14th November what? Children's Day. And December 31st what? Last day of the year. Like that, Republic Day, Children's Day and last day of the year. Is there something special about these dates? Fill in the blanks. Correct. These are the. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct year. Which year was 2 years back? So this is 2006 calendar. 2 years back means 2004. In which year were you in class 2? This year we are in class 3, 2006. So 2005 we are in second class, 2005. Which year will be the next year? This is 2006. Next year is 2007. Which year will you come after 3 years? This is 2006. 7, 8, 9. 2009. Okay children, this is part 2 of chapter 7. Thank you.